What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can stop notifications on Google Chrome in your PC or laptop. Now all you have to do guys is just want to follow these exact steps and you will be able to stop notifications on Google Chrome on your laptop or PC. Now the first thing guys you need to do is to click on three little lions in the top right. These three little lions, small three little lions, click on it. Now after that guys you want to click on settings, like move your mouse to settings and click on settings. Now after guys you click on settings, let me just clean the camera because it looks dirty. Now I hope guys you are seeing this right now. Now what you want to do guys, you want to click on where it says here privacy and security. Like you can see here this list, you want to click on privacy and security. Now after guys you click on privacy and security, you want to click on let me look for it. Yeah, you want to click on site settings here. As you can see, site settings. Now after guys you click on site settings, you want to scroll down a little bit and click on notifications. Okay, you want to search, you want to look for notifications and click on it. Now after guys you click on notifications, you will find here the list of, it says here not allowed to send notifications. Okay, now let's say that you want to block a specific website. You just want to search for where it says not allowed to send notifications and you will see the list of block the websites that are not able to send you notifications. You want to click on add here. As you can see, you can click here add, and here you can add a specific website. It could be social media websites or anything like that. For example, I'm going to block notifications from Facebook. Don't just add Facebook alone. You have to click one that you have to click that you have to add facebook.com. okay, like this, facebook.com. now and then you click add. Okay, now when you click facebook.com, Facebook will not be able to send you notifications on your Google Chrome. Now if you don't want any site, if you want to block all sites because you want to focus on work or studying, just click on don't allow sites to send notifications here, and now you will stop all sites from sending you notifications on your Google Chrome. So I hope guys this video helped you. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you need any help. I reply to every single comment.